Did you know there are places in France where the ground is still so deadly from World War I that stepping foot there could kill you instantly? Over 100 years after the war ended, vast areas called the Zone Rouge remain completely off limits to civilians. These red zones are contaminated wastelands where millions of unexploded shells, poison gas canisters, and human remains still litter the earth. Every year, French farmers working near these boundaries die when their plows hit buried artillery shells. The explosions are so sudden and violent that entire tractors vanish in clouds of smoke and metal. The contamination runs so deep that poison gas still seeps from the soil during heavy rains. Arsenic levels are thousands of times higher than safe limits. In some areas, the very air can burn your lungs. French authorities estimate these zones will remain uninhabitable for another 300 to 700 years. Entire forests have been planted over mass graves to keep people away. The Western Front claimed millions of lives during the war, but even today, over a century later, it's still claiming more.